Hi, I am sharing with you a list of websites where you can get free visitors, and you can even build backlinks on some of these sites. It is a mix of Web 2.0 platforms, forums, social bookmarking, social media platforms, question and answer also known as Q&A sites, press release and others. This list of websites are not being spammed to oblivion, some of them even have high page ranks, such as PR9. And there are some with huge communities, which if you really put in the effort, you can build a following, thus getting you even more free visitors to your websites. Just by spending 30 minutes to an hour a day, to build up your reputations in forums, Q&A sites, as well as social media platforms, will not only get you organic visitors but also potential customers to your website. This will become a marketing channel for you and your businesses. So don't just start spamming away, take some time to find out more about each source, and see how you can contribute to them. The links to these free traffic sources are in the video description. From the time this video is been uploaded, I have already checked through the list, and these free traffic sources are still valid and alive. But if you have found a website which is not working properly or not available, or basically expired, please leave a comment and I will update the list for you. Thanks for watching this video, please like and subscribe. There are other videos in this channel which you should check out too, as it may help you with your online journey.